Hey there, it's Lee at My Productive Mac here, and I'm a heavy DEVONthink user, a heavy Alfred user, so I wanted to share this great workflow that slots the two of those together. Now first we need to be at this link here, and I'll put it in the comments below so that you can find it quickly. And as I scroll down, there is a really clear section on how to use it. And I do strongly recommend that you refer to this when you play with the workflow, because it's going to help you a lot, but I am going to show you most of it visually now. Now back up here where we click on download, we want this top asset here, which is devonthink.search.alfred workflow. Okay, that should be downloaded. And yep, there it is. Let's double click. Now, whenever you're about to import a new workflow, you do get this window. So full credit to Charles Ma here for creating this. Thank you very much, sir. I'll select a category to put this in and then click import. Okay, that's done. And there is a lot of stuff here, and it does look confusing, but really isn't. And unless you want to configure some of the hotkeys yourself, you don't actually really need to be in here. So the primary hotkey to start the workflow is DNT, and if I click here, you can change that text combination to something else down here if you wish. Now, unless you use DNT for something else, there really isn't any need though, I don't think. Okay, let's see how this workflow looks. I'll invoke Alfred. I'll type DN first. And you can see that most of the hotkeys that you can use with this workflow do start with DN. And there's loads of good ones here for workspaces, favorites, listing smart groups and the like. But I'll put a T on the end here. And the reason that we have two options here that we can choose from is because you can search in DEVONthink 3 from anywhere, whichever app you're currently in with DNT. DNTS will search the current DEVONthink window only. So I'll go back to DNT and hit space, type in my search. And after a short while, it returns the results. And I've got a lot here. We can see the full path below the name of the file. So we've got database name, then group names. And I've actually got 5 different databases here that it's returning results from. Now, if I want to limit the search to just one database, that's really easy. I'll delete this. I'll type DND this time, where my open databases are currently listed. And I can select one of them to search. So I'll search the research one and press enter. Now my context has completely changed. I'm in the research database, so if I search in here, only results from that database will be listed. Other search options that you have are DNM, which will allow you to type in some tags and search for all items with those tags. DNW allows you to list all of your current workspaces, and DNF will list all of your favorites, whilst DNSG will list all of the smart groups that you have in your open databases. So that's great for searching, but what about opening? Well, pressing enter will simply open the selected file with the external editor that you've got defined within DEVONthink. Pressing command and enter will open the file with DEVONthink itself. Option and enter will just reveal the result within DEVONthink so we can see it there. And pressing shift and enter will copy the item's markdown link. So if I switch across now to text edit and paste with command and V, there is our markdown link. And then finally, if you press command and Y, you can get a quick look of the file. So I'm sure you'll agree, it's a top workflow there, I think. It's well worth downloading and playing with. And also, if you want to know more about using DEVONthink, whether you're just getting started or consider yourself a power user, I strongly suggest Max Sparky's DEVONthink Field Guide. It is chock full of hints and tips on how to make DEVONthink dance for you. I thought I knew most of what was on offer with the application until I picked this up. So it's well worth checking out at learn.maxsparky.com. Thanks for watching. If you like this, then please subscribe. There are certainly more workflows in the pipeline. Stay safe and be nice, everyone.